po. She is very energetic na po. Do you agree? Yes! In either ways, kay auditory, kay visual yung bata, kay anong skills niya. With those strategies na ginamit po ni ma'am, I am 100% sure na matututo yung bata kay ma'am. So, storytelling, makakilabot yung storytelling, ganyan. That is what ang kanya pong paggamit ng instructional materials, they are colorful and appealing to elementary school learners. Palapakan po natin si ma'am kasi ang galing. Ang galing-galing when choosing. Total package to po siya yan. Commendation, sabi ko, ay very good, very good. So, congratulations po. At sana po, dumami pa po ang mga teachers na kagaya niyo.
Ma'am Rina, talaga namang walang upas ang Ma'am Rina natin, no? Pangmalakasan po yan.